Hey guys, and welcome to PJ's Coin Capers. So in recent weeks, I've been thinking about, and people have been asking whether or not there was a PJ's Coin Capers Facebook page. Well, today I've gone and created one, and I think it's going to be useful, and I think it's probably a good way that this community can connect, and I think it'll be somewhere that you guys can put photos up. You can ask questions, and what I'm hoping is that the community actually tries to help each other. And I think it's great that we'll be able to share information, whether it be about coin swaps coming up, or whether it be about a low mintage coin that people have been able to get a hold of, and how you're getting a hold of your coins, what you're finding, if you're finding some special error coins or just some low mintage coins in your area and you want to let people know. And this, I think it'd be really cool just to be able to connect with everyone in that way. So I've created the Facebook page. It's called PJ's Coin Capers. A link will be in the description of this video, so check it out. I do have restrictions on the site, so you will have to submit to basically be accepted into the group, and I'll also have posting approval if you want to put photos up and those kind of things, just so that we don't get people who shouldn't be posting things that have nothing to do with coins. So I have controlled things a little bit there, but I think it's worthwhile for each of us anyway. So once you're in, it's all good, but just be aware of that. So today, I've also been asked recently a lot about the WAVY 20-cent coin and what the difference is. So I really wanted to do this video. I know I've done a video, and this video I did marry one up with the $1 mule, but I thought let's do a standalone video on the WAVY, and that way we can have a close-up look and see exactly what the differences are. So the 1966 WAVY, there was 58.2 million 20-cent coins made that year. They weren't only minted in Australia. There was a London minted coin, and that's where I believe the actual WAVY comes from, is from the London minted die. So what I wanted to do was, I've got 3 examples. Only one of these is a WAVY. So I've got one that's sort of lightly circulated, which is the one on the left, the WAVY in the middle, and a probably the sort of circulated condition you'd probably find a 1966 coin most commonly. So we'll have a look at them. We'll have a look at the high grade coin here, and also have a look at the one that's been in circulation for a fair while. Now that's basically how you find them these days, and if I flip it around, you'll sort of see the wear on the crown versus this coin. And this you can see there just how much where the wear comes in. It certainly affects the crown first and foremost. But if we have a look at the other side, which is the side that tells us whether or not they're a WAVY or not, and what we need to look at and compare. Let's just hold this one in my hand. So I've got the pointer here, my bent paperclip. What we're looking at is this WAVY. Well, this one's not the WAVY, but this baseline here of the two. So the top edge, not the bottom edge, the top edge. So as the two comes around, we're looking at that top edge there, and also the wave in the background there is also impacted by. Well, we don't actually know what caused this particular error, or whether it actually is an error. It might be technically a variety. There might have been a die that was made purely with this particular wave in the two. It might have been engraved that way. So they would have had multiple dies running on multiple machines pumping out these coins. but this particular one was, well, we don't know how many of them are out there, but as you see here, you can see that wave. There is a very strong wave going across that part of the coin. So these are very difficult to find. This is really the coin that people are looking for. This and the year 2000 mule, $1 mule, but this one is up there with what every collector would like to find. So I'm just going to zoom in closer on that too there. That's about as far as I can go. I'll try and keep the glare off it, but you can really see that wave. And you can see what it did to the line above the two. So this going across here, you can see there that it lifts up as this bottom part of the two lifts up. Also, the wave does. So there's two things you need to look for, and sometimes you'll see like a coin that has a ding, like another coin's hit it on that baseline, and it actually makes it look as if it's a wavy, but it's more easy to confirm that if you can see that little wave above the bottom part of the two, because that's not going to happen just by coins banging up against each other. So if we bring in the other one here and we look side by side, we can see there the difference between the two. I know this is a lot nicer coin, but we can see there that it is straight across and wavy. So the one on the right is the one you want to try and look for, and try and hold on to, because from recent sales, these things at the lower end are selling for around 200. There are exceptions to that, but recently on eBay, a high grade MS65 coin sold for $3,750. But really, the coin on the right is probably worth around that $200, $250. So yeah, certainly worth a lot more than 20 cents. All right, guys. Well, that's about it for this video. But make sure you check out the Facebook page, and if you'd like to join and like to share your photos of what you found, please do so, and hopefully we can have a lot of fun there. All right, guys, thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. Hit the like button if you've enjoyed this video, and I look forward to bringing another video to you soon. Thanks for watching.